Directory Electrons Unit 7 Physics Class 10th. Question 1. What is the unit of electric current? Answer: ampere. Question 2. Which components is used to store electric charge? Answer: capacitor. Question 3. What does a diode allow? Answer: current in one direction only. Question 4. Which semiconductor material is commonly used in electric? Answer: silicon. Question 5. What is the primary function of resistance? Answer: opposite the flow of current. Question 6. Which material is a good conductor of electricity? Answer: copper. Question 7. The flow of electrons in a circuit is called? Answer: current. Question 8. The device used to measure electric current is called? Answer: ammeter. Question 9. The device that convert electrical energy into mechanical energy is? Answer: motor. Question 10. What is the formula for Ohm law? Answer: V is equal to 1 multiplied R. Question 11. A diode is used to answer rectify signals. Question 12. What is the function of capacitor? Answer: store energy. Question 13. Which type of charge moves in a conductor? Answer: negative charge. Question 14. What is the purpose of a fuse in an electrical circuit? Answer: to protect against overloading. Question 15. The electrical components that allows current in only one direction is? Answer: diode. Question 16. An electric bulb works on the principle of? Answer: Joule heating. Question 17. What is the main function of a transformer? Answer: change the voltage level. Question 18. The resistance of a wire increases with? Answer: increase in temperature. Question 19. Which of the following is a renewable energy source? Answer: solar energy. Question 20. Electric energy is measured in? Answer: kilowatt hours. Question 21. A device that offsets the change in current is? Answer: inductor. Question 22. Which component stores energy in the form of magnetic field? Answer: inductor. Question 23. What is the definition of electrons? Answer: the study of the flow of electrons through a conductor. Question 24. Which of the following is an example of a conductor? Answer: copper wire. Question 25. What is the time for the flow of electrons through a conductor? Answer: electric current. Question 26. What is the time for a device that controls the flow of electric current? Answer: switch. Question 27. Which of the following is an example of passive electronic components? Answer: resistor. Question 28. What is the time for the option to the flow of electric current? Answer: resistance. Question 29. Which of the following is an example of an active electronic component? Answer: transistor. Question 30. What is the term for a device that convert electrical energy into light? Answer LED.